Hello everybody, welcome to this video. My name is Cecilia and in today's class we will be refreshing present continuous in English. First of all, we will use present continuous for things that are happening right now, at the moment. That is the most important case. Still, we will also be using present continuous for things that are happening around now, like in this period of my life. And we will also use it for things that are happening, for example, in a picture. So I see a picture and I describe what the people are doing. So for example, this man is playing football and the woman is watching. They are not doing it right now, but they were doing it at the time the picture was taken. That is the most important thing you have to take into consideration for present continuous. The formula of present continuous is pretty much very straightforward. We will just use the subject, then we will always put verb to be. Depending on the subject, you will conjugate verb to be, and after that we will put the main verb finished in ing. If we add ing at the end, then the verb is going to be turned into something called gerund. Gerund. It is gerundio en español. Ing is equivalent to ando o yendo en español. So play, jugar, playing, jugando. That is for affirmative sentences. If we want to make a negative sentence, then we will just put the word not after verb to be. Remember that is not can also be isn't, and are not can also be aren't. And if we want to make a question, we will just invert the order. We will use first verb to be, then the subject, and then the verb in its gerund form. To make a gerund, you only need to add ing at the end. However, there are some situations in which it is a little bit trickier. So if a verb goes like this: consonant, vowel, and consonant, for example, the word run, correr, run, you will need to add double consonant at the end, running. And if the verb finishes in letter E, then you will have to remove letter E and replace it with ing. For example, live, living. Sometimes it is a little bit difficult to know when to use present simple and when to use present continuous. But you have to remember that present simple is used for routines and for things that are generally true, whereas present continuous is used for things that are happening right now. Let's listen to the example.
1. What are you doing?
I'm sending a message to Sarah.
2.
My brother is doing a 2-month course in the UK.
3. In this picture, the woman is standing near a table.
Let's listen to the example with the comparison of these two forms.
1.
What do you do?
I work for an IT company.
2.
What are you doing?
I'm checking my messages.
3.
I like this painting. It's beautiful.
So beautiful people, that was it for today. Thank you very much for watching and see you again in our next class. Bye bye!